and welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond76 Home Decor on a budget. Now for today's video, I'm going to show you the little decoration that I did do for the Christmas holidays in my bathroom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my camera around, and then I'm going to come back, and then I'm just going to show you the little accent pieces that I did add to my bathroom. Right now I'm standing in the hallway, and standing in the doorway of the smallest bathroom that I do have in my home. This is my third bathroom, but this one is located downstairs. And if you want to see what I did do, then please keep on watching. Okay, I am back. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here. I'm standing on top of my bathroom toilet. Yes, and the lid is down because I'm going to start from the top and go down. This is an IKEA shelving unit, and I'm going to show you that in just a moment. But first, I want to start with the first thing that I did add. I added this white leaves. They are glittered with white glitter, and this is what I put at the top. So what you're looking at up here is my ceiling, and I just wanted to put something in here that was white. And the vase is kind of like a turquoise color, with different colors of hues of blue into it, and you may hear my grandchildren. And coming on down, like I said, the shelving unit is white. Now, I did do a video on this small bathroom, and what I'll try to do is I'll try to see if I can link that video at the top of the screen. And all I did right here was I purchased some candles from the dollar store, and I just stuck some small tea light candles in there. And that is only because of the roof of this right here. I did not want to put a tall candle up there right there, just in case. I didn't want anything to catch on fire, so I used something really small. Right here is a vase that I just filled with a bunch of ornaments, and the blue lights that you do see in here are the lights that I got from the dollar store, and I just stuck those in there with a white burlap ribbon. And I can't remember where I got these bells from right here. It may have been the dollar store, but I'm not sure. Now, the reason why I went ahead and went with the blue lighting is because my wall is gray with a blue undertone. How I do that, I don't know. It's like all my walls are gray with a blue undertone. Now, coming down to the third shelf, and let me step down. Right here, you're just looking at this right here. I got from the at-home store, and it was $4.99, and I think I got the candle holders from the at-home store as well. I just wanted to bring in a little bit of greenery as well as my candles. And I did have this in the bathroom before, and I just went ahead and kept this here. I'm trying to think where I got this from. Yes, I do still have the price tag still on here. It may have been Burlington's for about $19.99. It was $19.99. Like I said, I wanted to keep the white in the bathroom because of the shower curtain that I do have in here. And you may see my cat in just a moment because he is at the bottom of my foot. And all I did was just set these on top of the candle holders, as you can see. I did not want to bring a lot into this bathroom because I wanted to, like I said, they are, as you can see, they are open shelving units. But I did not want to bring a lot to put on this shelving unit. As far as Christmas go, I just wanted to add a little bit of something that reminds me that it is Christmas time, which is this vase right here. And I think vases like these are really nice to incorporate into your home when you don't want to, you know, bring in a lot of Christmas accessories, but just bring in a little bit of Christmas accessories. And like I said, this is the shelving unit right here, and these are candles that I am burning in these jars right here. I have another set, so I got a total of 4 in all. And these are the gingerbread latte tea light candles, and they smell amazing. I'm steady wiping my face right now because I think I got a piece of hair in my eye. But like I said, this bathroom is mainly for my cats. I do have their bowls right there for the food and for the water. Now, I was told, I'm going off topic, but not to use metal bowls, but to use ceramic bowls for their food. And that's just a trash can right there. And turning this way, all I did was just added in some candles right here and my dying plant. Do not come for me because I tried everything to keep that plant alive. There's succulents and I just can't do it. So that's the reason why I do use a lot of faux candles. And there is me right there. But yeah, this is what I chose to do to this small bathroom downstairs. Now, let me turn off the light so you can see the ambiance that just adding this little this glass cylinder with ornaments in it. Let me show you. Okay, and this is the ambiance that I get in this bathroom. You see how the lights and the candles highlight just a little bit of the white leaves. Now, you have seen these before because I do have them all over my home. Whether or not I will keep that same vase, I'm not sure. But this is what the bathroom looks like at night. And like I said, I just wanted to bring in a little bit of Christmas accent. A little bit of Christmas accent. I didn't want to overpower this bathroom because it is small with a lot of Christmas things. Because like I said, when Christmas is over with, that's a lot for us to have to take down. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what I did do. And you can see my toilet is right there. I was standing on top of that. So yeah, this is what, and I went ahead and kept these two blue ombre vases right here, just to go along with the white, the paint on the wall, that vase right there, and right here I just have mainly white and silver. So basically I just have blue, silver, and some greenery in this bathroom right here. Don't pay that no attention right there because I just did not want to move that because I keep my makeup brush cleaner inside of that. And this is the last shelf right here just with the cat food on it. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and bring this video to you really quickly, and let me go ahead and end this video. Again, my name is Diamond76, Home Decor on a Budget. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that bell for any video uploads or any video notifications. And if you're an old subscriber returning, thank you. I really appreciate you returning to watch my 12 days of Christmas. And I think this is video 8, if I'm not correct. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And if you want to join me on my Instagram, please join me at Diamond2872. I will be happy to have you on my Instagram. And I will talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.